Meet and Yogesh. मैं इसी घर में आता मैं लड़का था छठी मैंने एपिसोड में देखा कि
All right, so let's get started. Fine. So in the last lecture, we discussed about um, the importance of. We basically try to understand about how the things works as a DBA. Okay, we discussed about that part in the last lecture. So as I said earlier in the last lecture, so DBA is all about database administration. So the most important part about the DB is anyone who is coming from non-technical background who thinks that they don't want to write down a single line of code. So DBA play a very important role, guys. So yes, if you are someone who is coming from non-technical background who is thinking that yeah, I don't want to write down a code, like I don't understand code, whatever the streams you have, yeah, it is a time to start your career as a it is a time to start your career as a DBA. So don't worry about that. I'm here to help you with the database administration and make sure that within next 3-4 months you'll be starting your career as a DBA. Okay, but yeah, certain commitments we need from you. Whatever things we are going to learn with the class, that should be a recap. Like if we are going to send you the recordings also of every lecture. So if I'm sending you the recording, so you need to ensure that what do you need to ensure? You need to ensure that you will do the practice at your home. None of the questions will become out of our syllabus. So whatever I'm going to take in the class, the things will be coming from the class only. But still, if you have any questions which is apart from the class, definitely we are here to help you out. So we will take care of that. If you see our Learnaway Technologies YouTube channel, you can see that thousands of videos, thousands of interviews, thousands of mock we have conducted till now, and that is going to be based on the real time questions you are getting in the interview only. So along with the answers we have provided that, so it's completely free of cost. Apart from this, there are some premium content which you will also get as a part of this Learnoway students. Okay, fine. So I don't want to take much about the process oriented stuff. I'm much interested to talk about the Oracle DBA journey today. Let's talk about certain technical things. So basically any person, when you when you think that okay, I want to start my career as a Oracle DBA. So if someone is asking me what is the journey of Oracle DBA, how can I start my career as a Oracle DBA? As I said, it is a completely non-coding skill set. So any person who is coming with the non-coding skill set means he doesn't know anything about the Java, Python, no worries. You can definitely start your career as a Oracle DBA. Second thing is, Any person who think that I have a gap in my career, no worries. There are options to fill up the gaps. Do that and start your career as a Oracle DBA. Especially the ladies who thinks that they were very busy in the family time because of kids, maybe family responsibility. Now I want to start my career into the DBA. You can do that. You can definitely do that. I have seen hundreds of example in my class where the people are starting their career as a Oracle DBA without having any issues, without having any issues. So you can definitely do that. There is no problem in that. There is no problem in that. So don't worry. You can definitely start your career as a Oracle DBA, and we are here to help you out for the same. Next thing is basically, um, what is DBA? We called it as a database administration. Okay, that's fine. Database administration. But can you tell me the steps to start the career as a DBA? I want to understand the steps to start the career as a DBA. I want to know the steps to start a career as a DBA. So when you want to start a career as a DBA, now the first thing you need to start learning about the SQL, structure query language. It's not a programming language. It is a language to communicate with the database. See, you and me, we both are talking to each other. We are trying to understand each other's feelings in the English language, right? So just like if I want to communicate with my database, so let's say this is my database. Okay, this is my database, and I want to discuss something with my database. I want to say that, boss, I want to store some data. I want to retry some data. For that, I need one language, and that language is SQL. So irrespective of any database you are going to learn in future, like there are many databases are available, not just Oracle. We have multiple databases like Oracle, PostgreSQL, MySQL, SQL Server. You take an example of any database. So if you want to talk to that database, if you want to communicate to that database, if you want to manage that database, you need one language, and that language is SQL. Remember that this is not a programming language. This is a database language. Second thing is, once you are done with the SQL, you need to start learning about the Linux. This is the second important thing if you want to start your career as a DBA. Why Linux? See, every software we are going to install on some operating system. Just take an example of my Windows operating system. This is my Windows. On the Windows operating system, I have installed my Zoom software. I have installed my Chrome software. I have installed Microsoft Office, correct? I can install a Oracle database also. But normally in real-time production environment, they don't use Windows. They use it. We have a Windows server, but most of the time you will see that the people will go with the Linux server. So they will use the operating system as Linux server, and under that Linux server, you are going to install our database. But which database? Oracle database. You can have other database also running on your Linux operating system. Like let's say someone is saying that I want to use PostgreSQL. You can do that. Someone is saying that I want to use SQL Server. You can do that. So we need one operating system, and under that operating system, your database will be there. But why we are learning about the Linux? Because most of the time the people are using Linux operating system. Most of the time the people are using Linux operating system. Again, you don't need to install operating system and all. You just need to understand the Linux command. Hardly 20-30 commands are there. Hardly small ls, pwd, cds, all these very small commands are there. And I'll make sure that you people will remember that. Don't worry about that. I'm there to help you out, but you just need to listen me and follow me. If you're not listening me, you are just doing time pass here and there. Already you spend a lot of time of your career, then nothing can be done. So anything whatever we are going to take in the class, take it seriously, do that along with me. And then the third step will be where you can learn and earn the money. We call it as a Oracle DBA. This is the next step where you can expect a lot of package, where you can expect a good salary in your pocket. See, it is the 8th of May. So most of the people will get the salary by 28, 29, please month end only, before the first. So you can get the money by using this only. See, Learnomate is a big brand. If you ask about the Learnomate, if you ask about the database to anyone, if he's a DBA, you can just ask him, do you know about the Learnomate? He will say yes, definitely he will say yes. So this big brand, whatever we have created, is just by looking to the Oracle DBA only. So I have seen, I worked with this Oracle DBA from last 12 years. I'm working with this DBA part. So whatever the empire, whatever the brand that we have created with the name Learnomate, this is all possible due to the huge respect to the Oracle DBA only. This is a Oracle. So if somebody is saying that Oracle does not have any vacancies, where Oracle does not have any demand in the future, लात मारो उसको, टेंशन नहीं लेने का उसको, उसका खुद का करियर खराब है. So what I'm trying to say is Oracle DBA, Oracle will be always there. Today is past, future, and future to future also. Oracle will be always there. So Oracle is an old technology, started with 80s, but still it is the number one database which is used among other RDBMS databases. So what I'm trying to say, start your career as a Oracle DBA. And who can help you? I can definitely help you with this. Okay, I can definitely help you with this. So how we are going to start our career as a Oracle DBA? The first we will start with SQL, then we will start with the Linux, and then the last part will be your Oracle DBA. Then the last part will be your Oracle DBA. Till now, whatever we discuss, are you able to understand, guys? Can you please use the chat option and say yes or no is also fine. Whatever we discussed till now, are you able to understand? Can you please use the chat option and say yes or no? Also, please fill up the form also. Please fill up the form. Sagar is saying yes, Nikhil is saying yes, Prashant is saying yes, Ronak is saying yes, Mansoor is saying yes, Saif is saying yes, Krishna is saying yes. Yes. Fine. Very nice. So that's how I like the energy in the class. Then things will be much better. Okay. Now the next part which will be coming. Now the next part which will be coming. Now the next part which will be coming, like, can you tell me the roles and responsibility as a DBA? Very simple, you know. See, I'm becoming a DBA, okay? I'm becoming a DBA. But what is my responsibility, you know? Where this DBA will play an important role? I got to know that, okay, I'm going to start my career as a DBA, but what is my responsibility? Where this database is going to play an important role? Where? So this DBA is everywhere. Wherever you have a bank, just take an example of any bank in the anyway. Okay, you take an example of any bank. In every bank. So let's take example. You are here. Okay, my diagram is not that good. You are going to the bank. Okay, you are going to the bank. So these are the bank people. And you are saying that, boss, what I want to do, I want to do some credit, so you'll just give some cash to them, and they will make your entry into the database, saying that, okay, there is a person called X, he has credited 10,000 rupees in his account. So that entry will be stored into the table. That entry will be stored into the database table. Now your main responsibility as a DBA to make sure that this complete database should be up and running. So you are going to the bank, you are saying that I want to withdraw some amount, or I want to do some credit, or I want to deposit something. That time the bank will say that, boss, the server is not responding. They don't understand about the database. They will only say server is not responding. Sometimes there is a chance that server is running good, but the database is not responding. Let's say you are purchasing some plots, or let's say flat. You go to that government office, right, where the kharidi and vikri will be done, purchase and kya bolte usko, buy and sell things will happen, right? Most of the time I have seen that the people are saying that there is a problem with the server. They are saying that there is a problem with the server because their databases are down, or their databases are not responding. Maybe they have some performance issues also. Maybe the DBAs are not working there. Maybe the DBAs are not doing their job well. So that can be one issue, right? That can be a issue. That is the reason. That can be an issue. That is the reason. The main responsibility of my DBA is to make sure that 24/7 my database should be up and running. That is my responsibility. Why 24/7? Let's say I want to purchase something from the Amazon. I cannot say that, boss, now you cannot purchase because the DBA is sleeping. That is not possible, right? So if I draw the general architecture, you will have a server. You will have a server. This Linux server can be your Linux server. It can be your Windows server. Okay. And under that server, you will have your database will be installed. Which database? Oracle database. This database will be connected to some application. See, if I want to load some data into the database, am I going to load the data directly to the database? Do you know how to insert the data into the Oracle? No, I don't know, right? Do you think that the clerical people or any non-technical people, they understand how to insert the data here? No, they don't know. So for that, they will use this application. They are going to upload the data through the application, and application will load the data into the database table. I'll tell you one example, which is we normally use in our real-time production environment. Just take an example of LearnMate. We as a LearnMate, we are going to load your data into the application. So we use application, we call it as a CRM application, customer relationship management. There we make the entry of every student, like saying that, okay, there is a student called X. He has enrolled for Oracle DBA. His fees is 40K. Currently he has paid 20K. Remaining is 20K. He is going to pay on 1st of June. Okay. This entry I am going to make it under CRM here. But do you think that my sales team, they know about the database? No. Does CRM store a data? No. CRM is not storing a data. CRM internally is getting connected to some database. So in that database, the entry will be mentioned like, okay, there is a person called X. He has enrolled for Oracle DBA. His current fees is 20K. Remaining fees is 20K. And he is going to pay next in 1st of June. That entry will be mentioned into the table. Where? Into the table. Where it will be mentioned into the table. So then who is using this application? This application is used by my sales team. They don't understand Oracle database. If they know Oracle database, why they will join as a sales team? They will join as a Oracle DBA only, na? So sales team can understand CRM. So in the CRM, there will be a form, and in that form, they will mention all your details. But CRM cannot store a data. CRM store a data internally by the Oracle only. Now tell me one thing. Let's say you are coming to the LearnMate office in Pune location. You are saying that I want to enroll, and when he is trying to insert your data, your database is down. So if your database is down, do you think that he will be able to insert a data? No. That is the reason you should have your database to be up and running 24/7. Your database should be up and running 24/7. Able to understand, everyone? Can you please confirm me? Able to understand? Can you please confirm me? Say yes, say no. Say yes, say no. Shailendra is saying yes, Chirag is saying yes, Hari Krishna is saying yes, Anshuman is saying yes, Mansur is saying yes, Bala is saying yes, Sumedh is saying yes, 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 yes. Fine. Now so I got to know that what is my responsibility as a DBA. The first part I got to know very, very well that, okay, my database, my main responsibility as a DBA to make sure that my database should be up and running 24/7. Second thing is like, you are also responsible to take the backup and recovery also, na? What is backup and recovery? What is backup? See, I have a database. This database store a data in the form of table. I have my huge amount of data available in this table. I have my huge data available in this table. I have my data available. I have my huge data available in this table. I have my huge data available in this table. This table is very critical. There is a chance that someone can come and someone can drop this table. He can drop the table, right? Let's say I can see in my account I have 10,000 rupees available in my account. So it means there is an entry available in the database like, okay, there is a person called Ankush. He is having 10,000 amount available. So this entry is available under your table. That is the reason I can see it through your internet banking. That is the reason I can see it through internet banking. Otherwise, how will I able to see that? Now, what I mean to say here that if someone drop this table, there is a chance that someone can drop the table. there is a chances that the complete, there is a chances that the complete, there is a chances that the complete server got crashed. See, server is available in some physical location. Nowadays you can see that there is a war situation is going on. Let's say something went wrong. Okay, server is not accessible. So I should have a backup available now. Am I going to keep the backup in the same location where my server is available, where my database is available? No, I'll keep the backup in some different location. I'll keep the backup in some different location. You got my point? So whose responsibility to make sure that I have already a backup available as a DBA? So if your database got crashed, if your table got crashed, or someone dropped the table, or someone dropped the complete database itself, I have a backup available, and that backup I'm going to restore so that I'll get same to same database. We always have a backup available, right? I'm also using two internet here. Why? Let's take an example. My Airtel goes down. I can use my Tata as a backup, because for me this demo is playing a very very important role. Na? I cannot, like, we are doing a lot of, like, I know that you people are very eagerly waiting to take the demo and these things happening. So backup plan very very important role. Another responsibility as a DBA is to do the upgradation also. Okay, I'm just telling you some words, how to do upgradation, how to take backup. Don't worry about that. We are going to learn everything practically along with the theoretical stuffs also. See, Oracle is having a different versions. Like we have Oracle 9i, 10G, 11G, 12C, 19C. We have 18C, 21C, 23AI. Different versions are there. Every version is having, every version what they have, they have a different versions are there. Every version have a solution to the security issues plus performance improvement. You will see, just take an example of Windows, right? When I started using the laptop, that time they were using Windows XP, then started Windows 7, Windows 8, Windows 10. Nowadays I'm using Windows 11. Do you remember that Windows XP was very very slow, very very slow? If I start the Windows now, it will just do like this, and then it will start. It will take a time to start the machine. Now if you see and compare with the Windows 11, in Windows 11, like, you just need to click and it will get start. It will boot very fastly. So that's the reason, like, we need to upgrade our database also. So now let's say some clients are using Oracle 10G, which is very old, and I want to upgrade to the Oracle 19C. Then it is your responsibility. Oracle will not come and they will not do upgradation for you. You need to do the upgradation on your own. So who is responsible for that? As a Oracle DBA, you are responsible to do the upgradation also. You are responsible for it. And Oracle will not support for the older version also. Let's say you are using Oracle 10G and you got some issues, you got some bug in the Oracle database, and you are going to the Oracle saying that, boss, can you please help me? I'm using Oracle 10G. He will say, no, I cannot help Oracle 10G. First of all, you need to upgrade from Oracle 10G to Oracle 90C. First you upgrade and then ask for support. So whose responsibility? Your responsibility. There is one more activity we can learn. We called it as a patching activity. What is this? See, you have a software. This software is very very important. On this software, you can have some sort of security issues. You can have some bugs in the Oracle database. See, I'm trying to start my database, but it is not getting started. Everything is fine, but it is not starting. I have a jobs which are taking too much of time. Let's say I want to take the backup. The backup is taking 20 days sometimes. It's taking too much of time. What to do? What to do if the backup is taking too much of time? What to do in that case? So if there is a technical issue now, DBA team can do that, but there is an issue with the software itself. There is an issue with the software itself. Then I cannot help you. Then to whom you need to reach? Let's say you have some security threat, some virus has been injected to your database. You need to go and reach out to the Oracle support only. So Oracle will provide you one software, we called it as a patch. So patch is a software which is mainly responsible to remove bugs from your Oracle database, plus it will help you to remove the security issues from your Oracle database. But to whom you need to reach out? You need to reach out to the Oracle support. Now you may have a questions like, can you show me how to apply the patch, how to download the patch and all? Don't worry about that. I am here to help you to make sure that you people will understand that how to apply the patch. Likewise, so many responsibilities are available. Likewise, so many responsibilities are available in the Oracle database. It is just a small recap I thought like to show you guys. So now you must be able to understand that what is DBA, what is my roles and responsibility as a DBA. Again, all the responsibilities I have not discussed today, just giving a small heads up. Once we start our class now, then you will understand in depth practically everything. So till now, whatever we discuss, are you able to understand, guys? Can you please use the chat option and let me know? Till now, whatever we discuss, are you able to understand? Nice. Say yes, yes, yes. Shubham is saying yes. Tarak is saying yes. Akshay is saying yes. Krishna is saying yes. Anshuman is saying yes. Prabhat is saying yes. Chirag is saying yes. Yes, 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 yes. Fine. More than yes. So we are starting a new batch of Oracle DBA. Almost all the admissions are completed. I know that you people are very much curious to start the DBA, because see, once we start the batch now, we will not stop for next 3 months then. So if someone is interested to start your journey as a Oracle DBA, please reach out to the Learnomet team. The numbers are available in the chat options. If you are not comfortable to call us, there is a Google form available in the chat options. Use that. Please fill up the attendance also. And you can fill up your questions. If you have any questions for me, please fill up that. I'll take care of that. We will discuss about this. So there is a Google form available in the chat options. Please fill up that. And if you have any questions, queries, anything, okay, please let me know. Okay, I'm here to help you out. So any questions? Do you have any questions for me? Please raise your hand. I'll take your questions. I will unmute you, and one by one we will discuss. Okay, so if you have any questions, please raise your hand, and yeah, I'm there to help you out, guys. Rushikesh, yes, Rushikesh.
Hi Ankush. Currently, I'm working. I have a 3 years experience, but not in Oracle database. So how can I switch to Oracle DBA? Is it
What is your
fine?
experience? In which field it is?
SQL Server, application developer.
Application developer, na? See,
Yeah.
the level of training what we are giving as of now, you can easily say to the interviewer that you have 3 years of experience as a Oracle DBA. So you don't need to change your experience also. Change means you don't need to change your company or your designation. It will be like that only. But you just need to tell to the interviewer that you have worked as a Oracle DBA, and we will take care of it. So whatever the
Uh,
questions which are going to ask in the interview, we are going to explain that along with the answers.
okay, but as per 3 years experience, if we are telling to interviewer that we are Oracle DBA, 3 years experience, so that kind of questions, then
We
we
will take care
can.
of that. See, it's been a long time that we are giving a training. Around 86 batches we have completed. So I know that what type of questions these people are going to ask for 3 years. So most of the audience which are coming to us is especially for 3-4 years only. Okay, not just a fresher. So I don't recommend you to go as a fresher, because it will impact your first of all, you will get the fresher tag, that is not good for your career. Second thing, salary concern. So when you are showing your experience as a Oracle DB na, with 3 plus, you can expect a good salary also. So on the top of your current salary, you can easily get the higher salary. And the level of knowledge, as I'm saying, I have many people in the Learnomet. Now they are working as a Oracle DBA, but they never saw the face of IT industry or any technology also. You are in much better situations. Okay.
Thank you.
Yes, Mohammed. Uh,
Yes. Hello. How are you? Can you hear me?
yeah, I can hear you. Tell me.
Yes. My question is, I've been on the IT field for. I got a BSc in information system, and I've been working as network and support officer before. Then I have basic knowledge in SQL database. So now currently I've been given a role to perform DBA roles, DBA works. So I'm finding it difficult to keep myself on track. So I decided to go in for this OCP exams. So I come across your channel on YouTube. I started following it. I've been following you through some channels, which is very good. So I decided now this is time if you have class for me to join. So I think this is a good thing for me and others who have the same interest. I just hope that this will prepare me for the OCP exam, OCP 1 and 2.
So
So
it's
thank
good.
you.
Okay. See, having a OCP exam, it's see we can help you with the OCP exam. Don't worry about that. Okay. So what my suggestion will be, as of now, don't think about the exams and all. Exams and all, like we can help you to crack it. Now, don't worry about that. Okay. Um, my suggestion will be you should focus on the technical stuffs. You should be very strong with the basic of DBA, and slowly we are going to learn about the performance also. So that is my suggestion. We are starting this batch. We will start from very basic, because I do understand that you are coming from networking background, and believe me, we have so many people coming from networking background, and now these people are working as a Oracle DBA successfully. Even I remember one of my student who is long back, uh, like long back 3 4 years back, and now he's in working as a Oracle DB with the good package also. So don't worry about that. Okay, we will start from the very basic. We will slowly go to the advanced part, and coming to your certification part, we will take care of your certification. Once you are the part of learner medna, we will take care of your certification also. Don't worry about that. Okay, so let's take a question from Hari Krishna.
Hi, Ankush Sir.
Yes,
Good evening.
good evening.
Yes, Ankush Sir, I am having totally 6.5 years of IT experience, and right now I am working as Oracle DBA. Like I have more than 3.5 years of experience in Oracle DBA. In my current company, like my salary was very less, so I want to switch the company, and also I want to fill some gaps on that performance.
What do you want to do? You want to switch the company, you were saying?
Yes, I want to switch the company with a good package.
What is the current package you say?
I have nearly 5.6 LPA right now.
5.6. See, getting a good package is not a big challenge actually. Okay. Uh, Now, if you want to get a good package, now you should not just rely on the Oracle DBA. Start learning about the OCI. Start learning about the rack. Keep those technologies in your resume, and slowly try to understand about the next level part like Exadata or ExaCC. Having a advanced level of technology is definitely can help you to start your career as a good package. Okay, so you already have a package, you already have a good technology in your pocket. You just need to keep adding the advanced part, and then and only then you can expect a good package. So start learning about Oracle rack and OCI, and slowly move towards the Exadata also. That's my suggestion to you. The next question will
Okay.
from Sadhna.
Hi, Ankush Sir. Sadhana here.
Yes, please.
Am I audible?
Yeah, I can hear you.
Yeah, so my first question is like, I'm also from non-technical background. Like, I'm BComs person. So now recently, like, I have started searching job for a DBA. So I'm getting this kind of answers that female persons cannot be joined DBA because they get some challenges about shifts, night shifts, and
Hmm.
second shifts. And secondly, it is all about also the background which I came from. So I just wanted to know whether should I start my journey from these things
See, I'll tell
database
you
only.
one thing that in my 12 years of experience now, many female candidates were there with me in my team. Now, these kind of challenges will come especially when you are trying to get into the small companies normally.
Mhm.
But if you take the example of like I work with the Wipro, along with me, a lot of female candidates were there. Okay,
Okay.
in Cognizant also a lot of girls were there in my team. I'm talking about. So all these big giants now they will not think about whether like the because they have to do. There is always a proportion. They need to follow the standards. So it is not something coming. It's not a company decision. Sometimes they also need to understand about the government laws and all. So as per the government laws, there should be a ratio in between in the company. There should be around 50-50. I don't know the exact the count and all, but there is every project will have a combination of ladies plus gents. So the challenges what you are saying, I can understand that, but it is with the small companies only. The big companies like TCS, Wipro, LTI, your Cognizant, Infosys, no worries in that. Okay, they will hire, they will hire. And nowadays, when I see the project structures now, after the COVID, many projects are working from home also, many, especially for the ladies. They will not ask you to come into the office in the night shift. Even they you have a night shift, then you can do it from the home only. So earlier the people were not ready for the work from home culture, but nowadays many people are working in the hybrid mode. Especially if I take the example of my wife, she's working from home from last almost like after the COVID, completely work from home. So so it is possible. If you think that you have a potentials and you want to start your career as a DBA, stick to the technology. And many girls from our institutes are getting selected as a Oracle DBA. So if you come to Pune location by any chance and see our record, na placement record, you will see a lot of girls there. Okay. So this is just a myth. Okay. Only mid-scale companies or small companies, they will look for such type of challenges. Next
Okay.
question will be from Chinmay Das. Yes, please.
Yeah, hi Ankush sir. How are you? Yeah, sir.
Uh,
My question is, as a Oracle DBA, if I'll start my career, um, can I extend my career to cloud with
See,
the Oracle DBA?
cloud will be definitely irrespective of any technology you are going to learn. Like let's say in future you want to start your career into the DevOps. So DevOps with AWS combination is always there. Oracle, the combination will be with OCI or AWS mostly. So
Yeah.
Oracle DBA is just a starting. Okay. What I'm trying to
Mm.
say is it is just a starting.
Okay.
After that you need to understand about the cloud. Like just now I was discussing with someone, right? I told him he's working as a Oracle DBA. I told him to start learning about the OCI. So what is OCI? It is a Oracle Cloud Infrastructure. So cloud is definitely there. Okay. So
Okay.
start with Oracle DBA and slowly we are there to help you out to make sure that you people will go to the right direction. Okay. So Oracle DBA is just a start. After that you yourself will understand that what is the next. Okay. But you need to just jump into the Oracle DBA now.
Okay. So, as a 3 years of experience, how much knowledge it is required to? Is it sufficient to come to this course and will get hired in a company? or
No,
we need to do
no,
some
no, no.
hands-on?
For 3 and less than 3 years, na, the technology what we are taking is more than enough. Okay.
Okay, so about the Linux part, how much we are covering this
No, no,
course?
everything we are going to cover which is required for the Oracle DBA. We will start with the Linux, SQL, and then for Oracle DBA. Okay.
Okay.
So we are not understanding Linux administration. Linux team is a separate team, guys. Okay. Just understand that Linux team is a separate team. We just need to understand the Linux basic command which are useful for the Oracle DBA, and we are going to take care of that in our class.
And SQL, it is not PL SQL, only the
No, no, no.
SQL.
PL SQL, it will come under your SQL developer profile.
Okay,
That's not a DBA task. Okay.
okay, sir. Thank you.
Arun Kumar Singh.
Hello.
Yes.
Yeah, Ankush. Very good evening.
Yes, please tell me.
Yeah, I'm having 8 plus experience in Microsoft SQL Server.
Hmm.
Okay, so I want to pursue. I want to have extra knowledge also. Can I go with the Postgres or the Oracle DB?
SQL Server, it's up to you. Okay, what your project is demanding. Okay. But I see many people are understanding multiple database nowadays. Like if I just see my PostgreSQL
Because
class.
some of the companies, due to the living as a banking, other companies don't prefer the Oracle due to the cost cutting.
Correct.
They used to migrate the database into the Postgres only.
Correct.
Okay,
But
otherwise they refer the OCI.
OCI is also Oracle only.
Yeah, but for as a payroll system like this database, they are
Ah,
migrated to the
see,
OCI.
even if you are directly going to the OCI, you will not understand anything. You need to start with
Yeah,
Oracle DB only.
yeah, that
So,
is the
first of all,
basic
you need
for
to
the
take a
any role.
decision that whether you want to go to the Oracle or PostgreSQL. That is the first decision you need to take. If you think that I want to go with the Oracle, then start with Oracle DB only and then go for OCI. That is the next part. Uh,
Okay.
PostgreSQL is quite good for the mid-scale databases. Like, let's say
No,
you
because
have a
I have
small
the 8
database.
plus experience in MS SQL, so it is easier for me to learn Postgres.
Postgres is
Easier.
also good. Postgres is good. We have both technologies. It's your decision. Okay. See, if you want to target to the banking na, where you have a good
Mm.
package, banking will give you good package. Just take example of UBS, HSBC, Dutch Bank. All this will give you good package. So if your target is to earn good package, good work, go with Oracle. If you think that I want to work with mid-scale company or small base database, go with PostgreSQL. Okay.
Okay.
PostgreSQL is not for large database. Before this call, I was having a discussion with one of the client. They have 150 terabyte of data. They are thinking about the PostgreSQL, but then they realize that PostgreSQL is not for this much big database. Like PostgreSQL will be hardly in GBs or hardly in 1 terabyte, 5 terabyte, not more than that. Again, you need the support also. Oracle will provide the support by Oracle support. PostgreSQL, you got some challenges, you got some bug. Who is going to provide you? No support available.
It is a open source, no?
It's a open source, but don't consider that you don't need to spend the money in PostgreSQL. In PostgreSQL also, you need to take support. Either you can take it from Percona or EDB or AWS support, and you
Yeah,
need
it
to
is.
spend the money then. Okay, so it's not free of cost.
Okay, Ankush. Thanks.
The next question is from Anita. Anita. Yes, Anita. Asked to mute. Okay.
Am I audible?
Yeah, I can hear you.
Yeah. Thanks for the opportunity. I got your technology and the training institute through LinkedIn and YouTube. I've seen lot many videos of you, and I have actually I have 14 years of experience, and into Oracle I have 9 years of experience. So if I'm pursuing the course on Oracle DBA and RAC, the expectation from the outside market is very high. Will I be able to crack the interview and get good package? Actually, I'm looking for a switch.
You can definitely get that. Okay, see, at the end, if the person is coming with 5 years of experience or 10 years of experience, the technology will be same only, like Oracle DB and rack. Okay, uh, by looking to the project to project, let's say wherever you are going, they are looking for OCI people only. So they
Okay.
will ask the question on OCI. If they don't have OCI, let's say they have only rack only available, so they will ask the question on rack only. So that's it now. Like, but my always suggestion to you is start with Oracle DBA rack. Okay, and
Okay.
then next part also learn the OCI part. OCI is quite demanding in the market nowadays. Okay, so
Oh,
these three things if you target now, then you can expect as much as you want.
okay. One more thing is like, will I be getting hands-on on data guard as well?
Yeah, data card is
From
there with our Oracle DBA.
Okay, that's what the when I attend the interview, it's the questions and the expectation seems high for me. I'm working in a L1 type of task, so they are asking in L2, L3 kind of task. Will I be able to post the
Yeah, it will.
training? Will I be able to crack it?
See, that's what I'm saying. We have a people who is having 10 plus years of experience in our class also, in this class also. So, in and I have seen many people are working as a DBN now. But again, it's up to you also how much you are also ready to put the efforts from your side. So it's like 50% my from my side and 50% from your side. Then it will become 100%. Okay.
Okay,
So don't worry about that. The training you will not regret. Okay. That I can assure you.
okay then. Thank you.
Thanks. The next question is from Subodh.
Hello, sir.
Just please tell me.
Sir, I have just completed my second year and now I am in the last year. So, sir, should I join Oracle DBA or I need to wait until I finish my college?
No, you can join. There is no problem. Like when you get the placement in your college, if you get the placement, okay, by any chance. So that time you can say that I have knowledge on Oracle database administration. So many people are also joining with us who are a fresher or they are working. Okay, so when you go for an interview, let's say you have placement driver, even after the, let's say you do not have a placement in your college, maybe after the college when you, so you yourself will be ready now with the Oracle DBA. Okay, so you can go start learning, be prepared, and you'll be more prepared now. Okay, so instead of like joining after 1 year, better you join now itself. Okay, so no worry about that. Okay, so you can join. I have a people who are just in first year or second year, and now they are taking the classes. जितना जल्दी करोगे उतना अच्छा है आपके लिए. Okay, that is much better for you. Thanks. What else? Tejaswini, yes please.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening.
Sir, first of all, I would like to thank you for giving the opportunity, and we are connected through the LinkedIn and YouTube platform. I've also completed your Oracle SQL with SQL course, which is there on your website.
अच्छा.
That is free.
हाँ.
And back then in 2022, when I was in undergraduate, I'm following you from that 22 only. So
अच्छा.
now I want to start with Oracle DBA, and right now I'm in the end sem of my masters.
अच्छा. Okay.
Yeah. So I want to start my Oracle DBA career. So should I start with this or not? That is the only question I'm very self-doubt person. So, I get fumbled very easily while talking, while having conversation. So, can you clear the doubt?
फंबल तो नहीं, आप तो अच्छे से बात कर रहे हो, उसका कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं लग रहा मुझे। फंबल तो मैं भी करता हूँ, whenever I need to speak something which is a non-technical ना, I also get a fumble। 2022 से बहुत टाइम लगा है पैसा खर्च करने में।
सर, यूजी के फीस होते हैं सर, फिर पीजी के भी फीस होते हैं। स्पेशली अभी मैंने एमएससी क्लाउड कंप्यूटिंग में किया है, तो थोड़ा बहुत एडब्ल्यूएस का भी हैंड्स ऑन है। लेकिन मेरा ऐसा है कि मुझे प्रोग्रामिंग स्टफ में कुछ नहीं करना है। जैसे कि प्रोग्रामिंग स्टफ में बहुत टूल्स एंड टेक्नोलॉजीज,
करेक्ट।
मतलब बहुत सारे टूल्स में आपको काम करना पड़ता है, बहुत सारे एनवायरनमेंट का नॉलेज वगैरह रहता है। तो मेरा यही कंसर्न है कि मैं स्टार्ट करूँ, कहाँ पे स्टार्ट करूँ, थोड़ा confused.
See, when someone is saying that I don't want to go for the coding now, I always recommend that the people can start with the Oracle DBA. There is no problem in that. Okay, when I was in my engineering, uh, like because I completed my BTech in engineering and that too in CSC background, means computer science background. So usually the people who is coming from computer background or IT background, they usually like to go into the programming kind of skill set. But I was a person like who do not like to write down much coding. Maybe because the environment we got in our college time, that was not focusing on engineering. Maybe the environment where I learned my engineering, that time the teacher itself, they don't have a knowledge about the coding. Otherwise why they will start their career into the teaching field? They will directly go into the IT industry. So again, I don't want to blame anyone, but I'm the person who is not coming from like coding kind of skill set. So when I reached to the Pune location and I thought like, okay, I want to start my career, from where I should start. Fortunately, I can say that I'm an accidental DBA, because that time I was not aware about the database administration and all. I was not aware about that. So when I got my first opportunity into the Cognizant, there I got to know that okay, there is something we call it as Oracle DBA. Normally in the college time, people will just talk about Java, .NET, Angular, all these things, but people will never talk about the DBA side. So you can start your career as a DBA. There is no need to write down a code. There is a future. That is the reason that people are also going to the Oracle cloud side also. So start with Oracle DBA. There is no need to write down a single line of code here. Safe job, secure job, and it's good. Again, I'm telling you, getting a job as a fresher, irrespective of any technology, is very difficult. Don't think about just a DBA. You just join data engineer, data analyst, or any course now. Getting a job as a fresher is very difficult nowadays. But yeah, people are also getting selected. Okay, so it's up to you how much competition you can afford. And मैं काफ़ी लोगों को हमेशा बोलता हूँ कि जितना जल्दी आप करोगे ना उतना अच्छा है. The things which you are going to learn after 2 years ना, you will understand now only. Maybe you will not understand 100% now, but at least 30-40% you will understand. And you are going to spend so much of time in reading YouTube channel. See, normally what is the benefit of Learnomet, you know? When you are joined with us now, then you will be with us for next 10 years, because we have everything. We have not just Oracle DBA. हम लोग स्टार्ट करेंगे SQL, Linux, Oracle DBA, Rack DBA, Golden Gate, OCI, Exadata, ExaCC, सब कुछ है हमारे पास. And so we know that how to create a path of a student. Okay, so start learning about the DBA, no problem in that, and just be ready, have confidence with you, and make sure that you get a job as soon as possible. So I'm telling you now, no one will ask you anything apart from the syllabus that we have, or the things which you are going to learn in the class. Everything is available with us. Okay,
So you provide the placement
we
assistance
have a
or as well.
placement team is there. They can help you with everything, all these things, including,
Okay, so
it's not just about the See, we are providing you mock interviews, resume preparation, your all the Naukri profiles, LinkedIn profile. We have some connections with the companies there. We will refer you. All these things will be done.
So do we have to come as in
No, it's an online class,
physically?
offline class. Everything is available.
Okay, because I'm from Mumbai, sir.
No, that's fine. Okay, we have a people from Mumbai location. Even some people are coming and traveling to the Pune also. But you don't need to reach to the Pune. Okay, you can do the course from online also, offline also. Both systems are available. And
Okay,
we
sir.
have a dedicated support team also available. Whenever you have any issues in your laptop while doing practice, take a screenshot, send it to the group. My team will take the control and fix the issue.
ओके सर सर और एक्चुअल डेट कब से स्टार्ट हो रहा है ये
डेट मैं आपको फिक्स करवाता हूँ क्लास के बाद.
बिकॉज सर 19th ऑफ मई तक मेरा लास्ट सेम एग्जाम है बस उसके बाद मैं फ्री हूँ तो आई कैन फुली
Ah, no
फोकस
worries.
ऑन
Okay, see, every session will be getting recorded also. By any chance, if you miss anything, na, we have a recording available. You can repeat the batch also, immediate batch. There is no extra charges for that. Okay.
ओके
The next question is from Saugata.
Hello, Ankush sir.
Yes.
I hope I'm audible.
Yes, I can hear you.
Yeah, yeah. So, Ankush sir, actually, my question is I have 6 years of experience in software development. Okay.
Software
Uh,
developer.
yeah.
Hmm.
So, I'm from IT background and it's last 6 years, but now I've been involved in coding last my coding background. So now I got too tired to write coding and all. Okay, so so I decided to switch my domain to as a DBA. But
सेम सेम बंदा ना मेरे पास में आया था अभी लास्ट वाले बैच में. सेम सेम. वो बोलता था मुझे कि रोज सुबह उठ के दिमाग लगाना, अभी मैं थक चुका हूँ, रोज नया नया करो, रोज नया नया करो.
सर सबसे बड़ी बात क्या है ना, अभी हर कंपनी में जाओ तो जाओ, अभी तो हम लोग के पास एक ही, अगर 4 घंटे का कोई डेडलाइन होता है 2 घंटे में करो, क्योंकि बाद आपके पास एआई आ चुका है, तो
हाँ
करना तो पड़ेगा.
हाँ,
ठीक है.
वो है.
अभी हम लोग टायर्ड है बहुत. तो मेरा जो क्वेश्चन है वो ये है कि मैं अगर 3 से 4 साल तक एक्सपीरियंस लेके जाता हूँ, तो एचआर अगर वेरीफाई करे कि मेरा लास्ट एक्सपीरियंस जो है वो एज ए सॉफ्टवेयर डेवलपमेंट या वेब डेवलपर के तौर पे है, तो इसमें कोई दिक्कत होगा क्या इसमें
कोई
वेरिफिकेशन?
दिक्कत नहीं है, कोई दिक्कत नहीं है. मैं आपको बताऊँ क्या, मैंने डेटा इंजीनियरिंग में भी काम किया है. I have also worked with the data engineer. So your designation will be what is your designation?
सॉफ्टवेयर डेवलपर.
Now software developer na. So under the software developer you can do any task. When I was in Cognizant, my designation was system engineer. From the system engineer, can you tell me which technology I was handling? No. So when you go for any IT company, na, they will not look for your designations and all. They will look for your skills only. Okay. Now let's say you see sometime like let's say you hired as a Oracle DBA and there is no project available of Oracle DBA. They can put you in a PostgreSQL DBA also.
Yes.
So company will do like that. And this DBA is all about a kind of repetitive job you say. Just take an example. I'm going to show you how to install a Oracle database. Today also you will do the installation same way. Tomorrow also you will do the same way. Day after day also tomorrow same way. So here मैं अगर एकदम मोटा मोटा बताऊंगा ना, एकदम किसी को बुरा मत बोलना, सब गधे हैं. ओके. और एक गधों में तुम एक घोड़ा हो क्योंकि तुम डेवलपर हो. So you have one extra skills where you can do the automations and all. You can do that. One will ask you, but क्योंकि मेरे को भी कोडिंग आता था थोड़ा बहुत. कैसे? When I started my career ना, my first company was a mid-scale company where my role was to create a website as a web developer.
या मेरा भी वेब डेवलपर ही है. हाँ.
हाँ, तो वहां से मेरे को ना कीड़ा आ गया था थोड़ा लिखने का. तो वो क्या है ना, अब इधर तो कोई कोडिंग नहीं कर रहा इधर, है ना. तो अगर इधर कोई कोडिंग नहीं कर रहा और उसमें अगर छोटा सा भी अगर मैंने कोड लिख दिया ना, तो इतना अप्रिशिएट करते थे, इतना अप्रिशिएट करते थे, इनको लगता था कि भाई इनने जन्नत लिख दी पूरा। तो अब ऐसा समझो, देखो वहाँ पे सारे घोड़े हैं डेवलपर में, तुम कितना भी काम करो तुमको कोई अप्रिशिएट नहीं करेगा। इधर
राइट।
गधों के बीच में तुम घोड़ा बनोगे। तो अगर तुम डेवलपर कर सकते हो तो डीबीए तो आराम से हो ही जाएगा। हाँ, अगर कोई डीबीए बोलेगा मेरे को डेवलपर करना है तो फिर वो थोड़ा डिफिकल्ट टास्क
तो
है।
सर लास्ट जो देखिए, जैसे कि सीवी अगर मैं रिज्यूमे बिल्ड करूंगा तो यहाँ पे लास्ट मानो कि मेरा 3
तो
कंपनीज है, तो
नहीं
उसमें
नहीं,
अगर डेजिग्नेशन वेब डेवलपर ही रहेगा तो फिर प्रॉब्लम होगा क्या? मतलब नहीं
कोई
रहेगा?
प्रॉब्लम नहीं होता है ऐसे तो। अरे जिसने कभी आईटी का दरवाजा नहीं देखा वो भी बंदा आज ओरेकल डीबीए बन के बैठा है, 5-5 साल का एक्सपीरियंस लगा के
और
उसका।
सर मेरा एक लास्ट क्वेश्चन है एक्चुअली, ऐसे 3 और 4 ईयर्स ऑफ एक्सपीरियंस, अगर मुझे मानो कि मुझे रैक और डेटा गार्ड के अलावा अगर बाकी सर रैक और डेटा गार्ड थोड़ा बहुत आता है, मतलब एवरेज टाइप टाइप का, मतलब बिलो एवरेज भी कह सकते हो आप, तो क्या चांसेस है कोई
हो जाएगा, आराम से हो जाएगा, कोई इशू नहीं।
अच्छा।
ओरेकल डीबीए करो, ओरेकल डीबीए में मेरा डेटा कार्ड ऑलरेडी है,
हाँ।
और उसके साथ में एक एक्स्ट्रा कोर्स आपको लगाना है रैक, लेकिन अभी नहीं लगाना, अभी पैसा खर्च नहीं करने का, मैं जब बताऊंगा तब लगाना।
ओके सर।
ओके, अभी सिर्फ ओरेकल डीबीए का खर्चा करो।
क्योंकि
ओके।
मैंने आपका वीडियो तो बहुत देखता हूँ, वहाँ पे मुझे बैकअप रिकवरी, आपका पैचिंग एक्टिविटी, अपग्रेडेशन, आपका जो भी आरएमएन टूल है, और ओईएम तो हर एक कंपनी में एफर्ट नहीं कर सकता ओईएम टूल, जो वो भी मान लीजिए लिसनर जो भी होता है वो सही है, मेरे को सही लगा, पर जो बेटा गार्ड का टॉपिक है ना और जो रैक का है वो मतलब थोड़ा मुझे डर है एक
नहीं, वो है ना
हद।
अपने पास, उसका टेंशन नहीं है। वो डेटा कार्ड तो क्या है, सब कुछ हो रहा है, सब कुछ यूट्यूब के ऊपर डिपेंड, सब कुछ यूट्यूब पे अवेलेबल है, लोग फालतू में पैसा खर्च करते हैं।
नहीं। थैंक यू।
चलो बाकी का, सो व्हाट आई एम ट्राइंग टू से, सॉरी फॉर माय हिंदी। ओके, आई विल टेक द क्लास इन द इंग्लिश ओनली गाइज, ओके, डोंट वरी अबाउट दैट। Those people who want to join the Hindi class, now we have a separate batch for Hindi. Okay, only Hindi will be there, but for English we have the class which I'm going to start, that is in English, and my English is not that bad also, so please listen me carefully. So I'm going to start this new Oracle DBA batch. We have very limited admissions are there. Please enroll, start your career as a Oracle DBA with the Learnomet. Trust us, we can build your career. Thank you guys. If you don't want to spend money, go and visit our Learnomet YouTube channel and learn free of cost. Many things are available there. Okay, thank you. And please fill up the form which is available in the chat options. Please do that, that's very important. Okay, so thank you. बहुत अच्छा लगा आप लोगों से बात करके। अच्छा तो हमेशा ही लगता है, लेकिन अच्छा और लगेगा तब पैसा आएगा। बाय बाय गाइस, जस्ट किडिंग। किधर गया रे बाबा, मैं बंद कर दो, मेरा टीम सब बंद कर दो, किधर से बंद होता है ये?